investors, this is the popular earning avenue in Ikeja. You know, when you talk about real estate investment, talk about the location, talk about the title of the property, and this property today, we are not called the earning avenue because it's all. Here we have apartments, all have been sold out. What we have selling right now is three-bedroom terrace duplexes, one with DQ and one without DQ. You're going to see the detail on the description of today's property. Now, I'm going to ask you, why do you think that this investment is important? This investment is important because this is at the heart of Lagos State. That is state that seat of power. Remember what other revenue tax for? When you talk about investment here, talk about the infrastructure, about the road network, and you talk about other notable landmarks. And this is where investors smile when they invest because it is high return on investment. That is what you are investing. Watch my video on this channel and don't fail to hit the notification button or subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting updates on any property alert. This is Charity Bachu.
Hello investors, let's quickly look at the advantages of this bridge construction, what it's going to do to properties along this road. Ojota Okwebi Bridge construction will enhance property values along the route due to improved infrastructures. The bridge will enhance access to properties by improving road connectivity between Ojota, Okwebi, Allen, and other environs. It's going to reduce traffic congestion. The construction will enhance traffic flow, reducing congestion and travel time for residents and businesses. When it comes to business growth, the bridge will enhance positive opportunities for business growth along the route by improving transport links. It's also going to attract investors. The construction will enhance the area's appeal to investors, potentially attracting local and international investment. Also, better living conditions. The bridge will enhance living conditions by creating a quieter and more pleasant environment through reduced traffic congestion. The project will enhance road safety, reducing the likelihood of accidents along the route. Georgetown Okwebi Island Bridge construction will enhance economic development by stimulating the local economy through job creation and increased commerce. This is Ojota, Maryland. You see the movement of vehicles from that axis. By the time this road is completed, the movement is going to be very fast. You don't need to go through Maryland before you link to Okwebi or Toyi or anywhere in Allen.
Do you know why I said this property is a choice location? Allen Avenue. There are so many notable landmarks here. I think I start to mention the landmarks here. Believe me, even in eternity, I cannot exhaust all the wonderful landmarks we have in this corridor. Remember, if you're buying any property, there are so many things you have to consider. You have to consider government attention to the location. You have to talk about the church. You have to also talk about schools and also affordable market and other infrastructures or amenity facilities like the shopping mall. We have the Kenya shopping mall in this address. We have hospitals in this address. And on my right here, that is the Ivy College. The notable Ivy College. You all know about the Ivy College. Talk about government schools and private schools. We have it in this service. And also the bank, the shopping plaza, the island roundabout, the shopping mall, the seat of power, which is the Ikeja Secretariat. As I said earlier, I cannot mention all. We also have the Alade market in this area. We have the customary court opposite this estate, that is in Yana Court in Allen Avenue. This is the investment you're going to buy and close your eyes without wasting time to sell. And this property here, the resale value is very, very high. So the best time for you to buy this property now, it is selling for 50% initial deposit. Here we have the terraces with good BQ and also the terraces without BQ. The choice is yours. What we have available is only 1 unit, 1 unit each. Apartments are sold out. To tell you how hot and how demand this spot is. The reason why this property is the most investment is because of the demand for the location of Island Avenue. That is what we are talking about here. And when you talk about Banana Island in Island, we also talk about the mainland, the Ikeja GRA, the Island Avenue, and the Ikeja. And this is where this property is located. Don't make this building opportunity. Are you buying for residential purposes or you want to buy for commercial purposes? This property is on the center of location. Talk about the Ikeja, talk about Okodi, talk about the Adoni Jones, and you can access any part of the Lagos here. And when we're also talking about the Murtala Mohammed International Airport, this property is just here, about 3-4 minute drive to Murtala Mohammed International Airport in Ikeja. What do you want, or what is the thing that you're looking out for when you're talking about investment? What are your priorities? Don't you first think about the location? Don't you think about the property, the title of the property, the schedule payment plan, and also the road network, the infrastructure, the amenities, the facilities? This property here today are satisfying all this, and also the resale value. The best time for you to act is now. This is the right best investment. I don't have one to say because they said this thing sells itself. This property is selling itself. Just more than 1 year, we launched this property, and it is all apartments is sold out. What we are selling presently is the terraces. I want you to show you this beautiful estate, and the location is wonderful. This is not a property you're buying, and you're saying it is not developed. Those are clients that have been looking out for a property that is well developed, that is in a developed area. Now the time has come. That is Allen Avenue for you here. Don't miss this opportunity. It's a good opportunity which you can might not find. So call the number flying on the screen and book in session with charity as a way to call. Now I'm going to take you to where this property you are talking about. We talk about property, 3 bedroom terrace duplex in Allen Avenue. As I've told you, you know what Allen Avenue Ikeja stands for when it comes to real estate investment. This is the road that leads to this property. Let me walk you in and show you this beautiful real estate investment. We are not going to regret in this address. We have the 3 bedroom terrace duplex with BQ. We also have the 3 bedroom terrace duplex without BQ. The details, we're going to see them in the description to this video. Make sure you follow me from this journey, from this tour, and watch till the end of this video. This is the most investment, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. Welcome back. I am now inside the Iyanu Court at Allen Avenue. I've shown you the road network. Do you know that if you're buying a property, you're not thinking about the resale value and also the appreciation value, then you have not started. This is an ego eye investor's delight. You can use here in this estate right now. This is a mini estate, and what we have here available, because it has been selling since last year. We have 2 bedroom apartment with BQ, 2 bedroom apartment without BQ. We have 3 bedroom terraces with BQ and 3 bedroom terraces without BQ. And initial deposit is for the terrace. Initial deposit is 50 million naira, and it is a very good title. Now the title is there for you, COO, and also the location. That is Allen Avenue in Ikeja. That is the seat of power. You can see from this video, that is the Ivy College in Allen. From the video also, you can overlook the Zenith Bank
over Allen roundabout. This estate here is strategically located. You've seen it from the beginning, from coming in from Allen Avenue, Okwebi. You can access this property through so many routes in Ikeja.